Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D penguin like this one. So let's get started. You are going to need scissors, fishing line or a monofilament wire. You can do this with elastic, but I highly recommend using fishing line or monofilament wire. Just for the structure, you're going to need 26 base colors. You're going to need 5 for the tummy. You're going to need 3 beads, 1 for the beak, 2 for the feet, and 2 for the eyes. Let's get started. You're going to take your string. You are going to add on 5 white beads. These are going to be your stomach color. We're going to take our string. We are going to go through the opposite direction. Like this. It should look like this. It's going to be important to keep your string on the left and the right side because a lot of it is you put beads on the right side, you cross over with the left. So you might want to make sure to keep them in the same direction. We'll be adding on 4 of our body color beads, and we will take the left side and we will crisscross through there. Should look like this. Now we're going to take this string and we are going to go through this white bead here. So it should look like this now. We're going to take the right string. We are going to add on 1 black bead and 2 of the body color beads. We're going to take the end and we're going to crisscross through this last body color bead. Like so. And we're going to pull this tight. Now we're going to take our left string. We're going to string through this white bead here. And it should look like this. We're going to take our right string. We're going to add on 3 body color beads. We are going to crisscross through the last body color bead. Pull tight. We're going to take the left string. We're going to string into this white bead. Should look like this. We're going to take the right end. We are going to add on 3 beads. We are going to crisscross through that last bead. We're going to pull it tight like so. We are going to take the left side of the string. We are going to string up through this white bead, and then we are going to go up through the blue bead to start our next row. Should look like this. Now we're going to take the right string. We are going to add on a blue bead, a black bead, and then we are going to cross through that black bead. We have 2 eyes, look at that, and a belly. We're going to take the left side and we are going to go through this body bead right here. We are going to take the right string. We are going to add on 3 blue beads and cross through the last bead with the left side. Pull it tight. Should look like this. We're going to go through this blue bead and through the black bead. Should look like this. Now we are going to take the right side. We're going to add on 2 beads. We're going to cross through the last bead and pull. So it should look like this. So now we take the left side and we go through the next 2 body color beads. Now we're going to take the right side. We're going to add on 2 beads. We are going to cross through the last one. We're going to pull that tight. We're going to take the left string and we're going to go through these 2 blue beads. Like so. We're going to take the right string. We are going to attach 2 body beads. We're going to take the left side. We're going to cross through the last body bead. That tight. Should look like this. Now we're going to take the left side and we're actually going to go through 3 beads this time. So 1, 2, 3. So we should be coming out of what is the forehead. It should look like this. I'm going to take the right end. We are going to attach 2 blue beads. We are going to cross through the last bead there. Then we are going to string through the next 2 beads. We're going to take the right side. We are going to add 1 bead. We are going to crisscross through that bead. Should look like this. Then we're going to string through the next 2 beads. Like so. It looks like this. So what I like to do at this point is I like to actually go around this, because this is a little open, not really my taste. So I will string through. It doesn't matter what side string you use. I just go through these top couple of beads and make sure that they are pulled tight together. So I just do like an extra lap. Okay. Now we are going to string down through here and here, so we're coming out by the eyeballs. So it's time to put on the beak. So we're going to need to do the same thing with the right string. The problem is that we're all the way back here, so we're going to loop around through here and then out the face. So these beads and then down out by the eyeball. There we go, just like this. We are going to take the right side, we're going to add on our beak. We are going to cross through there, like so, pull it tight. So now I'm going to string down and into this bead. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Down into this bead, and we pull it, like so. So now we're going to add on our feet. We're going to add on 1 yellow bead here, then we're going to string through this blue bead. And they should just kind of mostly snap into place once you get them there. So another foot, we're going to go into this blue bead, pull it tight like that. So you can see he's got a little tummy, he's got little feet, looking cute. Now we are going to take a body color bead. We are going to add it on. We are going to string into this bead here. And these are going to be our wings. There we go. Cute little wings. We're going to take this side, we're going to add on our wing, and we are going to pull that back like that. Should look like this. And now we're going to turn around because it's time to do the tail. So the last step is going to be stringing down here and here, and we're going to crisscross over here to put his tail in. We add on a bead here, and we crisscross through. And we're going to string in through the white on either side. So we are going to string into here and here, so you're going to have a string coming out of both sides here. We're going to add on a bead. We are going to crisscross. And there's his little tail. So, and it actually helps him balance too, which is awesome. So now we can tie this off. I will just be making a couple loops with both sides of the string. Make sure to hide your knots inside of a bead, that way they are less likely to come undone. So if that means you gotta weave it through a couple beads before you tie off the end, then go ahead and do that. There you go, and you have successfully made your very own 3D penguin. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like this video and subscribe so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. Make sure to check out my website, gingercandytutorials.com, for the blog for this video, which has more details about this 3D penguin. You can also check out my shop, which has a lot of Candy Kid related merchandise. I hope you liked this tutorial. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.